Islamabad, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan will address Pakistan's parliament on February 14 during his visit to the country, confirmed Speaker of the National Assembly Asad Kaiser, on Thursday. Erdoğan is scheduled to visit Pakistan on February 13. Kaiser further said that the Turkish president is also expected to hold talks with parliamentarians during his visit to the country. In an interview to Anadolu Agency a couple of days ago, PM Imran said Erdogan's visit to Pakistan will strengthen ties between the two countries. He lauded President Erdogan's statement against India for Kashmir and said that governments of the two countries were developing strong contacts with each other. PM Imran had said Erdogan was expected to bring along various business houses and investors who would meet their Pakistani counterparts with an aim to enhance bilateral trade. He had also said Turkey could help Pakistan in many sectors including mining, adding Pakistan also desires technology transfer from Turkey in various areas. Relations between Pakistan and Turkey became strained when PM Imran cancelled his trip to Kuala Lumpur at the last minute. A summit of leading Muslim countries were supposed to gather at the summit to discuss issues being faced by the Muslim community. A group of Muslim countries led by Saudi Arabia boycotted the event. Saudi Arabia said its leaders were not attending the summit because it was being held outside the aegis of the 57-member Organization of Islamic Cooperation based in Jeddah. Erdogan claimed that Saudi Arabia had threatened Pakistan with economic consequences to coerce it into skipping the moot. Unfortunately, we see that Saudi Arabia pressures Pakistan. Turkish newspaper Daily Sabah quoted Erdogan as saying, "Now, there are promises that the country has given to Pakistan regarding the central bank. However, more than that, there are 4 million Pakistanis working in Saudi Arabia. They threatened by saying that they would send Pakistanis back and re-employ Bangladeshi people instead," Erdogan was quoted as saying in an interview. "We see Saudi Arabia issuing economic threats to Pakistan and threatening to replace the 4 million Pakistani workers with Bangladeshi workers.